Mr. Semi Man, you could have got it. I don't know why you're fucking not. Do you see me? You're trying to run me off the road.
Oh my god! Why did you let him do?
I didn't.
Stupid
No, he just didn't realize. I didn't realize he was like getting over.
You gotta move, man. You gotta move.
And I just read all of her recent interviews in the news and studied the things that she was saying in public. And I saw that she was going around saying
Come on, man.
that
Get out of the way.
60% of people
You're on
on
the camera.
Medicaid
What are you doing, man?
aren't eligible to be on it, which is crazy because like half of people on Medicaid are
You're on the camera.
So I thought
See
that
you on
was such a
YouTube.
wild thing she was saying with no
You're the one that pulled up on the side of me!
My first day on the job was Friday the 16th.
My blinker, I was getting over just like you, and you came around to me. I was not. I was going over in this lane, and you came.
Do you need help?
Last time I checked, birds don't have fingers. And don't get me started on buffalo wings. However, it makes total sense to
God, man.
car insurance with guys.
What good is that?
Wondering, I do have a copy of the Rig Veda on my shelf back there. If I go read that before I fall asleep, I wonder what kind of weird ass dreams I'm gonna have tonight.
How will you know if they're dreams? Only because they're short.
The black kitties are just
That's
weird and goofy.
So orange cats are just chaotic evil, and then black cats are chaotic neutral. Gray cats are. So I saw that. I think maybe you sent me that video of that cat that was just snuggling with that guy.
Ah!
And then black cats are chaotic neutral. Gray cats are. So I saw that. I think maybe you sent me that video of that cat that was just snuggling with that guy.
Ah!
Gilbert, who's been ruled out for one night after his break to careless high tackle charge. Yesterday, South Sydney conquered across town rivals Sydney Roosters 20-14 at Accor Stadium. Rabbitohs with Control Mitchell's moving class icing the game for one night after his break to careless high tackle charge. Yesterday, South Sydney conquered across town rivals Sydney Roosters 20-14 at Accor Stadium. Rabbitohs